Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Discord backup code without login. Ever had Discord ask for a backup code at the worst possible moment? Unfortunately, if you're completely locked out of your account, you can generate or view new backup codes. Discord only allows access to backup codes from inside your account settings while you're already logged in. If you still have Discord open on another device, go to User Settings, then My Account, find the Backup Codes section, enter your password, and save those codes immediately. If you're stuck on the two-factor authentication screen, click Verify with something else and see if you can use an authenticator app, save backup code, an SMS code, or a passkey instead. It's also worth checking your screenshots folder, password manager, cloud storage, or old downloads in case you saved the codes previously. If you're logged out everywhere and have lost access to all verification methods, Discord support cannot remove two-factor authentication or issue new backup codes, so recovery options become very limited. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.